Hey there, fellow travelers.
Mark.
And Jocelyn with Wolters World.
And we wanted to say happy Thanksgiving to all of our fellow travelers out there. We know this year has been a disaster, kind of like making this video, but we want to say thank you to all the support you've shown us this year, and we know it's been a tough year for travelers all over the world, and we just want you to know that we're appreciative of all the love and support you've shown us this year and throughout the 11 years we've been doing this. So we want to say thank you and wish you all a very happy Thanksgiving, whether you're with your family or not. Just know that we appreciate you, and there's a lot to be thankful out there. So I'm thankful that hopefully in 2021 we can get back traveling again. So,
cross our fingers. We're thankful for you guys being part of our tribe.
Yep, so have a good one, and bye from here at Buc-ee's.
Bye.
Another thing I'm thankful for on a trip here in Texas for Thanksgiving, because you can get all kinds of good stuff. There's even like turkey jerky, so it could be like turkey jerky from Buc-ee's.
Y'all, he's obsessed. Have a good Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving, everybody.